What is a robot? A robot is like a smart machine that can do tasks on its own when we give it instructions. Robots can come in many shapes. Some look like people, some like cars or animals, and others are just machines with wheels, arms, or special tools. Robots are designed to help people in many different ways. For example, in factories, robots build cars, assemble phones, and handle heavy or repetitive tasks much faster than humans. In hospitals, surgical robots help doctors perform precise operations, like the Da Vinci surgical system. At home, robots like Roomba vacuum cleaners clean the floor by themselves. In space, robots like NASA's rover Perseverance explore Mars, where humans can easily go. Think of a robot as a mechanical helper that never gets tired. Unlike a simple machine, a robot can sense what is happening around it, make simple decisions, and then act to complete a task. Robots use sensors, their eyes and ears, to detect the world. Then, with their electronic brain, they decide what to do. Finally, with their motors and moving parts, they act in the real world. The purpose of robots is to make life easier for humans. They take on dangerous jobs, heavy jobs, or boring jobs. This allows people to spend more time on creative, social, and meaningful activities. In summary, a robot is a smart machine that helps humans in many areas of life, from everyday tasks at home to advanced fields like medicine, industry, and even space exploration.